My name is Stephanie Chekia, and I am recording the cross-sectional anatomy assignment. So this is my model back here. So I'm going to be identifying the 5 structures that you had advised. So first we're going to start with the face. So we're going to go over the bones of the face. Sorry. We have the vomer, we have our nasal conches, we have the nasal bone, we have our frontal bone, temporal, parietal, occipital, and then we have our mandible, maxilla, zygomatic. So there's our bones. Now we're going to go down into the biceps. So they're so large. So we have the bicep here. The main function of the bicep is for flexion and supination. So that would be outward rotation of the forearm. Now we have the knee joint. Okay, so we have our femur, patella, tibia, tibial tuberosity. We have our meniscus on either side, lateral, medial. And the tibiofemoral joint is a synovial joint. It's biaxial, which allows for flexion, extension, and slight rotational movements. We also have our adductor and abductor muscles. Sorry, this is like kind of odd. So we we have the adductor longus, adductor brevis, adductor magnus, and the gracilis. This brings the legs towards midline. And then we have our abductors, which will be our gluteus maximus, medius, minimus, and tensor fascialis. Now, an application you could, with the abduction, you can use for exercising. So you have the in and out. So, yep, perfect. Okay, so pulling the, I'm moving the legs, the inner thighs in, would be moving them in towards midline, which would be your adducers, the ADDs. And then we have moving them away, which would be like side leg lifts, would be, there we go, better, okay, which would be your abductors. So now we are also going to just go over, now we have the Achilles tendon down there. Now there is a possibility of rupture, okay, if it's a fibrous cord and connects to the muscles in the back of your calf and your heel. And if you overstretch the Achilles tendon, it can actually tear or rupture. Now, understanding surface anatomy is very important and key to interpreting normal anatomy on medical images and being able to describe the location, appearance, and relationships of palpable anatomical structures. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.